Hello, beautiful. Hello. Things have been really busy, which I'm truly grateful for. And I need to find a space that I could talk to you, that I could connect with you, that I could spend a moment with you. So I'm sitting here in a parking lot, eating my breakfast before I start my day. I have 6 session clients today. I love what I do. I love what I do. I connect with people all over the world to bring liberation and freedom, renewal, self-love. But I had to find a moment to talk to you, so I'm taking this moment. I had my breakfast, and I am heading home in just a few moments to start my day with clients, but let's just take this space for us. Let's just take this space for us. You're so beautiful. You really are. You really are. I feel your light. I see your light. You are here for a purpose. You are here for a purpose. Your light matters. What you bring to this now matters. You are so beautiful. May I offer you this space, this energetic blessing. Ia sauea nanea natakawa totuea dia sawa jane ia nawa tonekia sawa tiniana toso tuea toso tuea toso tuea. Just breathe into your heart, nice and slow. And just let it all out. Beautiful, beautiful. Just breathe in, nice and slow. And let it all out. Beautiful, beautiful. You are beautiful. You are light. You are divine. And I am so, so grateful to walk with you. I am so, so grateful. Remember who you are. You are light. Remember. Blessings upon you, beautiful one. Blessings.